Today, I'm going to be making my Windows PC feel more like Linux using 5 applications. The first application that we're going to look at is something called WinHands. This removes and adds apps that I want or don't want. This will remove all of the apps that I don't want from, the AI bloat I won't use just to free up some extra space. It also is a good place to mass install apps that I will use. We're getting into WinHands now, and like I said, this will delete all the stuff that I don't want, which is a lot. So I'm going to go through this and see what I do not want and what I do want. Then I'm going to remove the apps I don't want and add the apps that I do. Alright, I've selected everything that I do not want, which is almost everything that base Windows has. Now I can go up here and uninstall selected items. Just remove everything. Okay, looks like everything has been deleted. Now I can go to external software and install stuff that I do want. I do want Firefox, 7-zip, I want AutoHotkey. And that looks like about it, because this is going to be my school laptop. So I'm not going to have these, I'm not going to have any of the gaming stuff on here. I might install my editing software and stuff like that just to record and edit videos on the go, but I don't know how much I'll use that. So I can get my audio software and Spotify, media player, just about it. So I can go up here and click install, and this will just install the things that I want. Okay, everything has been installed, and just deleted all of the things that I do want. Windows computer. So show all of my apps, and this is all recommended. This right here is all of my apps. This is it. The next app that we're going to use is something called WindHawk. This gives mods to our Windows computer, which we can use to customize it and all that stuff. I can download this. I can look through it and see what mods I want. Dynamic Island for Windows. Let's see what that is. Okay. This adds a dynamic island into my Windows computer, which is just like the one on your phone or maybe Mac. I don't know. I don't use Mac, so that's cool, but I don't think I'm going to use it. Okay, I think I'm going to install this one, which is Dynamic Taskbar Transparency. So I think it's just installing it, and now I have it. And next thing download is the next thing that I'm gonna install is I'm gonna install the taskbar styler. Go to details and install. And then I can go here for the start menu styler, which I can install. And finally, I think I'm going to go taskbar auto hide when maximized. This is the last thing I'm going to install. And then we're going to reboot and see. Actually, that just it worked as soon as I installed it, so maybe we don't need to restart. Now we can go to stylers and then see what I can get here. I'm going to look at the styles and see which one I like. I think I really like the Windows 11 Metro 10 Minimal, which is just a super easy one. I can go here and just select the one that I want. I press Windows. Oh, I didn't say. I press Windows, and now it is thing I selected. To list. These are all the apps I have on my PC. A lot less than what a base Windows PC would have. And obviously I had to get a new wallpaper, so I just went ahead and did that. I can pick my wallpaper, which I've already picked. Wallpaper that I chose. The next thing that we are going to get is actually something that I really like from Linux, and I haven't really got to experience on Windows yet, which is just a tiling window manager. The one I'm going to be using is called Emporium, which is a tiling window manager for Windows. Alright, so unknowingly, my microphone was muted for this entire clip, so I'm going to reenact it. Oh wow, look at this. This is so cool, dude. This is so much better than Hyperland. Wow, I've never seen this on Windows before. Wow, this is so great. Look at that and that and that and that. The final thing that I wanted to put onto my system is something called Flow Launcher, which is pretty much the same thing as the macOS Spotlight or any really application search or any of that on Linux. So it's something called Flow Launcher, and I downloaded it and it works. So that should be up on screen right now. But yeah, it works. So if y'all like this video, please leave a like, you know, subscribe, of course. But other than that, I got nothing. So thank you. This is the final product, and bye.